Alright, hello everyone, Mr. Glitch here. I'm going to show you how to take a cube and put an image on it. And then we'll export everything and get our files and put it into Horizon. Alright, so I have a screen key here. This should show you everything, all the buttons I'm pushing and everything that's on the screen. If you don't see it, I'll try to remember to yell out the buttons so that way you know what I'm doing. Because when I go into UV editing up here, sometimes it goes away. So I'll try my best to remember to tell you what buttons I'm pushing as we go through here. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to push Shift A and get us a cube. We're going to move it up, scale it up. Alright, so now we got us a little cube here. And now we're going to go to Materials. And then we'll go right here, which is base color. We'll hit this yellow dot, come over here under textures and hit image texture. Okay, now we'll press open. And now we're going to go find our image. So right here, I have a PNG, a JPEG here, and I'm going to show you this way just in case for all the ones that might find a JPEG that they like and want to use it, you can still use it. And I'm going to show you the process to change it just in case. Other than that, if you have a PNG, awesome. You won't have to worry about too much because it'll be a PNG. Alright, so we'll open this image. You can see we have it here. You don't see it right now, and that's because we're not in texture mode. So you'll come up here and hit the circle. Alright, and now we're in texture mode. Now you can see the texture on the cube itself as we work. Alright. So now we are going to go into edit mode. We're going to hit tab. And now we are in edit mode. Okay. So now we want to press the letter U on the keyboard. And we're going to press unwrap. Now you see that everything's been moved and changed. Now we'll go to UV editing. Okay. And as you see here, when I unwrapped, it made this cross, which is this cube on a flat plane. As a 2D, it's like flatten it out to 2D so you can see all the sides, all the faces. And now we are going to, I want to show you what it looks like when you do a smart UV project. So we'll undo, press U, and then we'll hit smart UV project, press OK, and then that gives us these 6 boxes, which is the same thing. So you can do those 2 ways, and you can move this around and decide what you want to do. We got kicked out of texture mode there. Alright, so now you can do this, and another thing would be like press G to grab it, and then you see it moves. Okay, so now we're going to go back to undo everything. We're going to press U and just do a regular unwrap. Gives us a cross pack. We're going to highlight everything. We're going to press R, Z, 45. And that'll get us straight again. And now we're going to press S to scale it down. You can make this bigger, smaller, and it changes how everything looks. We will try to match it up the best we can, and we'll press G and Y. There we go. GY again. There we go. Looks like we got it just about right there. Okay. Now, if you want to adjust everything, you can come over here. We'll highlight these 2 verts, and we'll press G and X. Bring it all the way out to there. Zoom back out. Move over to this side. Zoom in. I'll highlight these 2. Press G and X. Bring it out to there. Alright. So now we got it pretty much where we want it. And it's looking pretty decent, as you can tell. Alright, so now we're going to highlight all of it again. And we're going to go up here to image. We're going to press save as. Okay, and as you see, it still says JPEG. So right here, this is where we can change it to PNG. We'll select RGBA. Then we're going to go find the folder that we're going to put it in, which is right here. We'll delete this one. Oh, well, hang on a second. There we go. Alright, so we'll cancel that. Oh, okay. Image, save as. Still got it. JPEG. Now we switch it over to PNG, RGBA, and pick the folder that we're going to put it in. Now we're going to hit checkered, or type in checkered. Okay, and then we're going to, this is where we'll add our underscore, BR. And then that's all we have to type in. Now we'll press enter. And Blender will add the .png itself, so you don't have to type it in. And now we'll press save image. We'll come up here, press layout. Alright, and then here, we're going to change the material name over here to checkered. Alright. Should have done that first earlier, but we're doing it now. Now we'll come over here to File, Export, FBX. Go to a folder that we want to put it in. We'll name it checkered cube. We'll add the FBX for us. We'll select selected objects only. And what that is, just in case you have like 4 or 5 models in here that you're working on, you just select this one, and when you go to export, press selected object, and it'll only export the one that you have highlighted. And then we'll hit export FBX. Okay, now we'll come over here, double check everything. We got our both files here, our FBX and our texture file. Now we'll go to Horizon. We'll press import. Grab our files. We'll drop both of them in here, and we will press import. Now we will wait and see to make sure everything goes through. And there we go. We now have a cube with a checkered texture on it. Alright. Alright, so I hope that helped. I will start doing some more videos. Just let me know what you will need help on, and I will try to get a video on that specific thing, or whatever a lot of people want to see had done. So this is just one way of doing it. There's a few other ways that you could do this. So this is just one, and one of the easier ways to do it. So yeah, I hope it helped, and I will see y'all around in Horizon. Thanks for watching.